Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to perform virus scan in Samsung A16. If you're using A16 and now you want to scan for antivirus, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone settings and here just go for security and privacy option. From here just go for app security and here you will get two different options. The first is app protection and the second is Google Play Protect. First, just open Google Play Protect and here just tap on scan and it will scan if your phone any harmful apps, so it will show your results. As you can see, no harmful app found. So once you have that, just go for app protection and here just tap on scan phone. It will scan your phone and it will tell you if your phone have any virus or any malware. So that's how you can easily perform virus scan on your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.